Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody. Today I'll teach you how to restore your WhatsApp backup in new iPhone. I will teach you how to back something up as well as I will teach you how you guys can restore that on your new phone, alright? So let me show you the steps on how to do that. If you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. Let's start today's video. First thing, after opening your WhatsApp, you have to back things up so you can restore it on your new phone. So click on the setting at the bottom right of your screen, and once you're inside setting, you can see this option called chats. You want to click on chats because chats are the only thing you can back up on your WhatsApp. So once you're over here, you can see this option called chat backup. Once you see this option called chat backup, click on it and click on backup now. Now if you have signed up using your Google account, your Google account will be shown at the top. But since I'm using iPhone, it uses iCloud. That's why it's showing me the iCloud icon. So right now I'm currently logged in on my Apple account, which is Kevonoid Kevin. So you need to know which Apple ID you're currently logged in into or which Google account you're currently logged in into. Because whichever account this chat is being backed up into, you need to have access to that on your new phone. So let's wait for some time until this backup is done. And the backup should probably take you 1 or 2 minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. But if you have tons of chat to back up and photos as well, then it's going to take a bit of time. But I don't have photos to back up, so it should be done within 1 minute. So as you guys can see, my backup is complete. So I will just close this WhatsApp and go to my WhatsApp in new phone now. So I've opened WhatsApp on my new phone. So I will click on agree and continue. Once you're in this place, enter the phone number of your WhatsApp account and click on done at the top. Once you do that, it's going to show you this restore from iCloud. Now it's showing me this because I've already logged in into my Apple ID account on this new phone. So it's showing me this, but in your case, if you haven't logged in into your iCloud account, make sure to do that first, otherwise you're not going to see this option. I will click restore chat history and wait for some time until the restoration is done. So my downloading is just 18 MB, so it should not take me that long. But if your download is a lot, it's going to take you a lot of time. Depends on how much information you have backed up. That is what it's going to download. So let's wait for some time now. And once it's done, just click on next at the top and choose a name for your WhatsApp account and click on done. And as you guys can see, your WhatsApp should open up like this with all of your chat backed up. So that's how you guys can restore WhatsApp backup in your new phone. Hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.